What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to introduce you to our brand new Magic Water Spot Remover. Now, if you're into detailing or washing your car, you'll know detailing and battling water spots is a difficult task. So here at Masterson's Car Care, we wanted to develop the ultimate water spot remover from the ground up using all of our years of detailing experience and my knowledge of being a professional detailer for over 20 years. So we developed our Magic Water Spot Remover to remove any type of water spot from paint, glass, wheels, aluminum, cars, trucks, motorcycles, around the home. We wanted to make the ultimate water spot remover just for you guys. So what we did is we first started with an idea. We wanted to make the ultimate water spot remover. So we also wanted to make it a sprayable water spot remover. So the other guys have water spot removers that might be a gel or a cream. We actually wanted a sprayable formula so we can control a larger surface area when we detail. When you're trying to remove water spots from like a boat, a van, a truck, dude, these cars are huge and you want a sprayable formula to be able to cover more surface area faster. We also wanted to make a product that handles the most hardcore water spots. Now, we're located here in California, and in California, the water has a lot of minerals, calcium, a lot of different types of contaminants actually in the water. The water's not clean if it's coming out of the hose. And so if you don't have a soft water system at your home or at your shop and you get a car wet, you're gonna get water spots on the vehicle if you don't dry it properly. Or a big battle out here in California is getting hit with sprinklers. So if you park your car next to a street and you get hit with sprinklers, that water is gonna dry in the sun and develop a water spot. So we needed to start with the idea of making the ultimate water spot remover and then deciding how to cure the problem of water spots. So what is water spots? Water spots are actually when water lands on the vehicle and the water isn't fully clean. So water that, let's say, comes from a hose or comes from a sprinkler, it's actually filled with a lot of contaminants like rust, calcium, fluoride, a lot of different minerals and contaminants are actually in that water. And when it lands on your car, it actually beads up in small beads and then dries in the sun. Now, water evaporates, so the sun's gonna evaporate out that water, but the sun does not evaporate all those chemicals, rust, those minerals inside of the water, and it leaves a stain on your vehicle. And if you don't wax your car or your car is not protected with a coating, you're gonna get water spots easier. So a lot of people struggle with water spots, and sometimes water spots can bake in the sun and get even harder to remove. So I've met people, they've had water spots on their vehicle for like 10, 20 years and they can't go away. And eventually water spots will actually eat into the paintwork itself and you'll get a water etch where the paint is actually eaten away by the calcium and the minerals in the water. So we needed to find a solution for these water spots because if you let them go and you don't handle it immediately, it gets worse over time. So here is a detail store. We wanted to make a product that just eliminates those and stops the problem at the beginning. So we developed our solution. Now, the best way to remove water spots is a mildly acidic formula that dissolves the calcium instantly. And that's what we developed here. So what we originally started with is we started with our prototypes. We actually developed a prototype material. And here at Masterson's Car Care, we make all of our products here in-house from the ground up. We develop our own formulas. We develop our own product and our own solutions. And that's what we use to create this product. Now, once we had our water spot product, we did a whole bunch of testing. We even gave this to a guy that had VW, water spots on his VW, and he said they hadn't come off in over 20 years. He used this prototype and it just took off the water spots instantly. He was mind blown. So what we did was we took this water spot remover and I actually sent this water spot remover to all my friends that do detailing around the globe. So thanks a lot to everybody that did prototype testing on this product. We sent this all around the United States, Mexico, South America, Canada, Asia, Brunei, the Middle East. We sent it everywhere to get feedback on this water spot remover. And we got some feedback, we tweaked the formula, and after over a year of testing and R&D, we finalized our final version, which is our Magic Water Spot Remover. We made it in this killer packaging. We wanted to make this the gold standard, so that's why it has gold lettering right on the bottle. Now, we also have it in a gallon size, so if you're a professional and you want to do hardcore detailing, you can do this with a 16 ounce or a gallon. Now, this product is concentrated. So you can use it straight up on extreme water spots, or you can dilute it up to 1 to 4. 1-to-1 is a great ratio to dilute this product because it attacks water spots and it's still easy to use. And this is a really easy product to use. So first you just go ahead and wash your vehicle normally. And then if you find the water spots have not come off, you take this product, spray it on the surface, and then you just take a wet wash mitt or a microfiber towel and you scrub and clean the surface, and the product is gonna melt and dissolve away the water spots, and you're gonna be left with a perfectly smooth surface. That's why I really love this product. And this works on everything: cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, shower doors. We did extensive testing on appliances and shower doors with this product. So this doesn't just work in the garage on the cars, it also works in your home as well. So super cool product. So if you guys want to pick up the Magic Water Spot Remover, I recommend to pick it up. It's a true product that's gone from an idea and a dream all the way to a full-fledged functioning detailing product that we use every day in our detailing arsenal. Head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, or hit up your Masterson's Car Care authorized distributor and pick it up today. They have it in stock just for you guys. Comes in a 16-ounce and a gallon, guys. So remember, if you guys want to battle water spots and you want to make sure that your car looks smooth as glass, pick up the Magic Water Spot Remover. It really does magic work, guys. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.